Turning your ideas into a successful online business can be hard, especially if you don't know where to start or where to continue in your business. But don't worry, I'll provide you with the proper tools to build a loyal clientele. Hello Diamonds, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I make my press-on nails last for like a week and a half. I'm right here at Family Dollar and I'm going to pick up some more stuff. I already have the nails, but I wanted to get some extra stuff for this video, so I'm going to bring you all along. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kiss Salon Color Nails Ready to Wear 24 sets. It is in the color DGK07, long length. So before I start gluing the nails on my nail bed, I like to organize the nails so I'll know which nail it goes on. It just makes the process a lot easier. My favorite glue to use is the Kiss Mega Hold. It works perfectly. I've tried the LA Color glue, but it's more watery and it gets all over the place. So the glue that I'll be using for this tutorial is the Kiss Mega Hold glue. So I do have a wide nail bed and sometimes the nails don't fit, so I do keep the old containers just to sometimes use those nails for when I reapply them. And again, my nails are wide and this just makes the process easier. Now that my nails are organized, I can go in and buff my nail bed. The foundation is very important for your nails to last longer than a week. So for this part, I'm just going to even out my nail bed and then smooth them and then apply the nails. Now to clean up the foundation of my nail bed, I'm going to use a cotton pad and some fingernail polish remover. Also, this is a good technique to use to get any excess glue from your nail because you don't want that to get stuck on your hand while you're applying your nails. So you will see that in this tutorial as well. So the technique that I use is the double application. I put it on the nail and make sure I focus the glue on the edge of the nails, because that's most likely where the nail is going to come up in the first place. So basically I put it all on the nail and I concentrate it on the edges of the nail, and then I apply it on my nail bed as well. Now when applying the nail on your nail bed, you want to put pressure on there for a good 5 to 10 seconds. Hold it and then let it go, and the nail, as you can see, is secured on my nail bed. Again, when you're applying the glue to the nail, make sure you concentrate on the ends and the edges, and also put some in the middle, and then apply the glue on your nail bed. versus what they look like before. Yeah, this is what my nails look like when I finish. And these nails will last me about a week and a half. It's that simple. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you want more content like this, comment down below. If you want me to try more nails from the dollar store, I seen those marble nails and they had some that was this color and the marble nails. Definitely gonna try those. Those are $5. These were $3. The plain ones are $3. And I'll tell you all what style. The style is DGK07. So you all can go pick up these from the dollar store. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.